Good afternoon. Today we're going to discuss how to upload your Microsoft Office PowerPoint to your Google Docs on your Google Drive. Sharing documents on Google Drive can be somewhat tricky, and this is particularly true when working in Microsoft Office Suite with Windows 10. Not all documents are compatible, and as Google offers a more basic system and one that still struggles with certain software encoding, it's still something that a lot of people want to have answers if they create a PowerPoint presentation and then they want to share it on Google Drive. So in this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to do that. Nonetheless, after you create a PowerPoint presentation using the 2016 version of Microsoft Office, you will learn also how to make it usable even after it's been uploaded to your drive. And this tutorial is also going to teach you how you can share your presentation with your team without losing data such as animations and video. So if you're ready, let's do this. First of all, I have created a mock presentation, PowerPoint presentation. I'm planning on exporting that to my desktop after I finish it, not in PDF form, just regular. And then there's a lot of different animations and transitions that are available on PowerPoint presentation in the 2016 version. However, we're just going to make things very simple and short here by just showing you a couple things. My main priority is to show you the transitions as well as the video that gets added to a PowerPoint presentation. So on my second slide, you can see that I have created 3 strikethroughs. I did this by creating an object in shapes, and it's just a simple rectangle that I managed to make it thick enough to look nice, and just did an overlay on top of the text. So if you look here, you can also see that I have created some animations. I'm using the fly-in transition. But in order for me to see what order those are in, I'm going to hit my trigger, or not trigger, I'm sorry, my pane. You can see that I have gone in order, 1, 2, 3, same rectangle, but this is what it looks like from the beginning, 1, 2, 3. Now, in Google Drive, if you have an issue with the strikethroughs not lining up, you can edit once you have converted the video over to Google Drive. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is the video. So you can see that we added a video presentation to our PowerPoint. Very simple. You can see that inside a PowerPoint, the video plays without any issues or problems. Now, this is where the tutorial is going to come in, because, oh, there's our explosion. This video will not work unless you do the conversion and you edit that once you get into your Google Drive. So now you can see here that I have my Google Drive opened. What you're going to want to do after you finish your PowerPoint presentation and you export it to your desk, just do a simple drag and drop. But what you're going to want to do is put it in the Files section, not up at the top. These are things that we're currently working on. So we've already gone ahead and done that. What you want to do is look for your PowerPoint. You can see that there's a difference between PowerPoint and Google Slides. So I'm going to open up my PowerPoint presentation. And now you can see that it opens up and it looks like this. Well, that looks fine and all, but the unfortunate thing is, the way it stands, it has not been converted yet. So what you're going to want to do is you go to the Open With tab, go to Cloud Convert, which is an app. Then what you're going to do is pretty much just follow the instruction here. This one was finished earlier, but there's 2 things you want to know. So it says select format, go to presentation, then scroll down and go to your PPT file, and you select that, and then you hit Start Conversion. I'm not going to do that because we've already done that, but here's a finished version of that. So now what you'll do is hit Show File. And it looks like we're right back to the same place we were before. However, we're not. This has been converted. Now you can open it with Google Slides. You can see that it's converting and opening. And here's our presentation, all uploaded and ready to go. So if we hit Present, it will go ahead and start from the beginning. Unclick. There's our strike-throughs. They're fine. I don't need to manipulate those or edit them. Now here's our video. Now you notice it just advanced to the next slide. That is not what we want it to do. So we're going to hit Escape. We're going to go to that slide that has the video, and we're going to remove the video. The reason being that video is not going to work unless we do a few extra steps. So we're going to insert a video. Now, if you notice that it's going to give you options, you can either upload a YouTube link or do a search. However, keep in mind that if there is advertisements on that YouTube video that you're using, you will have to most likely edit that before, unless you want people to see the advertisement. The other thing is you have by URL. It does not work on the Vimeo platform because Google and YouTube are best of friends, and Vimeo is a competitor. So they don't allow you to use any video with Vimeo, unfortunately. However, the third option is if you have your video, you can upload it to your Google Drive ahead of time. Once you click there, you can see the video is there. You select that, and now it's going to add the video to your PowerPoint. But you can go ahead and manipulate the video and align it so it looks nice and pretty. Now, there's one more step here. You do need to go to Video Options. If you notice on the right-hand side, there is a editor that's over here. You can actually, choose your time code of when you want it to start and stop. However, for this tutorial, we're going to select autoplay when presenting. So when it clicks, it will automatically play. Okay, so now we'll go to the very beginning of our vid. And by the way, whenever you make changes to anything you do in Google Drive, it automatically saves it for you, so you don't have to worry about that. So here we go with our presentation. Notice our first screen comes up just fine. Here's our second screen. Our transitions are working perfectly. And here's our video. And voila. You see that the video is working just fine, no problem. Here's our price point. And that is pretty much all of how you do that. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future information. You can also check me out at www.sugarbeecopyinternational.com. It was nice sharing with you today. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you.